Every hunting camp has that one old rifle. The stock is scratched, the bluing is worn, the sling looks older than some of the hunters sitting around the fire. And when someone asks, "Why don't you upgrade?" the owner just smiles and says, "Because this one still works." That sentence explains old school hunters better than any ballistic chart ever could. They are not against new cartridges. They are not scared of technology. They are not ignoring modern rifles, better scopes, or improved bullets. They simply know something that younger hunters sometimes learn the hard way. A hunting round does not become trusted because it is new. It becomes trusted because it keeps working when the weather is bad, the shot window is short, the animal is moving, and the hunter has only one chance to do everything right. That is why old school hunters still trust certain rounds. Not because they are trendy, because they have history, because they have filled freezers, because they have crossed mountains, sat in deer blinds, ridden in trucks, and survived decades of real field use. So today, we are looking at the rounds old school hunters still refuse to leave behind, and why they still matter. Number 5. .30-30 Winchester. The .30-30 is probably the most old school deer round in America. It is not fast by modern standards. It is not made for extreme range. And nobody is buying a .30-30 because they want to win a ballistic argument online. But inside thick woods, brushy ridges, creek bottoms, and tree stand country, the .30-30 still makes perfect sense. That is why old school hunters trust it. A lever-action .30-30 carries easily. It points naturally. It feels quick in the hands. It is not heavy. It does not punish the shooter. And within normal woods ranges, it has been putting deer on the ground for more than a century. But the real reason hunters love it is memory. A .30-30 is often someone's first deer rifle, or their father's rifle, or the rifle that sat by the cabin door for 30 years. It is not just a cartridge. It is a connection to a style of hunting that was simple, close, quiet, and practical. Its weakness is range. If you are shooting across open fields or western country, there are better choices. But for the hunter who knows the woods, knows the distance, and knows the rifle, the .30-30 still earns respect. Number 4. .270 Winchester. 270 Winchester is the round old school hunters trust when they want flat shooting without stepping into hard-kicking magnums. It became famous because it gave hunters speed, reach, and accuracy in a package that was still manageable. For whitetail, mule deer, pronghorn, sheep, and even larger game with the right bullet, the .270 has built a long reputation. A lot of old school hunters like it because it feels balanced. It does not feel too small. It does not feel too much. It shoots flat enough for open country, but it does not punish the shoulder like some Magnum rifles. That matters. The hunter who practices with his rifle usually does better than the hunter who bought too much power and now flinches every time he pulls the trigger. The .270's strength is confidence. A hunter with a good .270 and quality 130 or 150 grain hunting bullets can cover a lot of situations. Deer across a field, antelope on the prairie, mule deer in broken country, whitetail in mixed terrain. Its weakness is that newer cartridges may be more efficient on paper, but old school hunters do not carry paper into the field. They carry what they trust, and the time. .270 has earned that trust over and over. Number 3. .308 Winchester. The .308 Winchester is not old in the same way the .20-30-30 is old, but it has become one of the most practical hunting rounds ever made. Old school hunters trust it because it is simple, available, accurate, and effective. That combination is hard to beat. The .308 works in short-action rifles, which usually means lighter and handier guns. It has manageable recoil, it is widely available, and it offers plenty of bullet choices for deer, hogs, black bear, and even elk, with proper bullets and smart shot selection. But the biggest reason hunters like .308 is that it does not make life complicated. You can find ammo in many places. You can find rifles in almost every price range. You can practice without getting beaten up. And when deer season comes, you do not feel like you are experimenting. That is important. Old school hunters value certainty. They do not want to wonder if a rare cartridge will be on the shelf. They do not want a rifle that only shines under perfect conditions. They want something that works. The .308 gives them that. Its weakness is that it is not the fastest round in its class. If you want extreme distance, other cartridges shoot flatter. But for normal hunting ranges, the .308 remains one of the safest answers a hunter can choose. Number 2. 30-06 Springfield. If there is one round that represents old-school American hunting, it may be the .30-06 Springfield. This cartridge has been around for more than a century, and hunters still trust it because it can do almost everything. Deer, elk, black bear, moose, open country, timber, mountains, farm fields. A .30-06 with the right bullet has been used in almost every kind of North American hunting situation. That is why old-school hunters refuse to give it up. It may not be the newest, it may not be the most efficient, it may not have the sleek marketing of modern cartridges, but it has something better: proof. Generations of proof. A .30-06 can shoot lighter bullets for deer and heavier bullets for larger game. That flexibility gives hunters confidence. If a hunter owns one rifle and wants it to handle many seasons, many animals, and many places, the .30-06 still makes sense. Its weakness is recoil, but for the hunter who can handle it, the Ju-0 .30-06 is still one of the most trusted all-around hunting rounds ever made. Old-school hunters do not trust it because they are stubborn. They trust it because it has never stopped working. Number 1. 12 gauge. This one is not a rifle round, but no old-school hunting list feels complete without it. The 12 gauge may be the most trusted hunting round in American homes, not because it does one thing, because it does almost everything. Birds, turkeys, deer in shotgun-only areas, small game, waterfowl, clay targets, farm use. For many old-school hunters, the 12 gauge was the first real hunting tool they learned to respect. The reason old-school hunters trust 12 gauge is versatility. Change the load, and the gun changes jobs. Birdshot for upland birds. Waterfowl loads where legal and appropriate. Turkey loads for spring mornings. Slugs for deer where allowed. That flexibility made the 12 gauge a working man's hunting tool. It was not just something for one season. It was something that stayed useful all year. Its weakness is recoil and weight. A 12 gauge is not always soft shooting, especially with heavy hunting loads. Smaller shooters may do better with 20 gauge, but in terms of pure trust, few hunting rounds have earned more respect. So why do old-school hunters still trust these rounds? The lesson is not that new rounds are bad. Many modern cartridges are excellent. The lesson is that trust is earned in the field, not announced in a catalog. A good hunting round is not just about speed. It is not just about energy. It is not just about what looks best on a chart. It is about whether the hunter knows it. Can you shoot it well? Can you find ammo for it? Do you know what bullet or load works best? Have you carried it enough that it feels natural? And when the moment comes, do you trust it completely? That is why old-school hunters keep reaching for these rounds. Because when you are cold, tired, and staring at the animal you waited all season to see, you do not want theory. You want trust. Now I want to hear from you. Which old-school round do you still trust most? Is it 20-30, 27-0, .308, 306, 12 gauge, or something else your family has carried for years? Drop your real hunting story in the comments, because old-school rounds always come with the best stories.